Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Ever felt frustrated jumping from one Windows menu to another just to find a single setting? You open this, you search that, you click around, and somehow it still doesn't show up where you expect it. Yeah, it can be really annoying. But what if I told you there's a hidden Windows trick that puts almost every setting in one single place? No extra software, no complicated setup, just one simple folder right on your desktop. Let's take it step by step. First, head over to your desktop. Now, right-click on any empty space, go to New, and then click on Folder. You'll see a new folder appear. Now, this next part is very important, so pay close attention. You need to rename this folder using a very specific name, and it has to be exactly correct, no mistakes. To make things easier, I've placed the correct name in the video description, so you can just copy it. Once you've copied it, right-click the folder, click Rename, paste the name, and press Enter. And just like that, you'll notice something change immediately. The folder icon transforms into something that looks like the control panel. That's how you know it worked. Now go ahead and double-click to open it. And there it is. All your Windows settings, neatly organized in one place. You'll see categories like administrative tools, power options, user accounts, network settings, ease of access, and a whole lot more. Everything is clickable. So instead of digging through menus, you can jump straight to exactly what you need. Now, here's the interesting part. This feature is actually built right into Windows. It's completely safe, completely official, and it's often referred to as the GodMode folder. It doesn't give you special powers or anything like that. It just gives you faster, smarter access to your system settings. And honestly, if you love tweaking your system or helping others fix issues, this is going to save you a lot of time. And that's it. Nice and simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical tech tips like this. Check the description to copy the folder name easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.